Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 26th of June 2007, and well, London market is about to close, so it's time for me to wrap things up. Okay, and as usual, I record the video of the setups that I've been following today. I've taken no trades today. As usual, as it's been well during the last 2-3 days or trading sessions actually, none of my trades, none of my setups have broken out their trading ranges. Okay, everything seems pretty quiet as of lately. We've seen some movements on the Japanese crosses today, but they all have been counter trend, or at least most of them. Okay, so I haven't taken any of those. I haven't profited from any of those moves. Okay. GBP Australian dollar in the daily chart. Moving averages pointing down. You guys probably know about this setup. I've been following it for a few days. We broke down from this range. Okay, we've seen the retracement back up. Now we go into the 4 hours time frame. Seems like we are having some kind of flat top triangle. Okay, you see this triple top there and triple bottom. Okay, it seems like a triangle, a wedge, however you want to call it. In the longer time frame, in the daily chart, as you were seeing, the trend is clearly to the downside. Okay, in the direction of the breakout. So definitely what I'm looking here is for a breakout to the downside, but for the time being, as you can see throughout the whole week, it's been up and down, no breakout has happened, moving quite, actually totally sideways. So still watching this setup as it unfolds. Same thing on the Euro GBP. This one is actually or should be actually much closer to the breakout point. Okay, Euro GBP in the 4 hours time frame, we've already reached the dynamic area of resistance, and this we are, as you can see, we are having here some kind of also triangle. Okay, we have our resistance level right there, our support level right there. Okay, along with the 38% Fibonacci in the previous swing low. What I'm looking for here, of course, is a breakout to the downside. Okay, so far nothing. It hasn't happened. We are still within this trend line is still holding in this level. Okay, the 0.6740 is still holding the price to the upside, so we are effectively still ranging sideways. Okay, still waiting for a breakout to the downside. Let's see if it happens tomorrow. Okay, hopefully it will happen tomorrow. Another trade, another setup. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Triangle formation, trend is up as per my moving averages. Okay, as you can see, we are moving in a staircase formation. Okay, here we have previous level of resistance working later on as support, resistance, now support, resistance, now support. You see that staircase formation? Well, basically I'm looking for a breakout to the upside. Okay, as I tried, the way I trade triangles. Okay, breakout to the upside in the direction of the trend. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame. So I reckon nothing is going to happen today, or if it happens, it's going to be in the overnight session, and I will be sleeping, so I will not be able to profit from it. I hope it doesn't take off without me. So I hope that range holds at least until tomorrow morning. Another setup, New Zealand against Canadian dollar, another uptrend per my moving average system. Okay, this is another triangle. In this case, it's a flat. Whoops, I didn't draw that properly. Another flat top triangle. Okay, also with some kind of triple top right there, okay, and this uptrend pushing price to the upside along with the moving averages, okay. So once again, by the way, this is the 4 hours time frame. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. So basically, once again, what I'm looking for is a breakout to the upside, pullback continuation, hoping for a whole new ride to the upside. New Zealand against the yen, 4 hours time frame again, another beautiful uptrend. Carry traders pushing price up, trying to exploit the interest rate differential. In this case, this is a flat bottom triangle, okay, multiple individual bars bottoming out at this level, okay, right just above the 0.94 round number level, okay, and a sloping trend line to the downside right there, okay. Once again, as usual, you can see that all my trade plans are very similar, okay. Congestion area, clearly trending a scenario, congesting area. What I'm seeking for is a breakout in the of that congestion area in the direction of the main trend. You know, basically a continuation move. Okay, still moving within the congestion area, so still no trade to be taken. Euro against the New Zealand dollar, a little bit more slopier this setup. Okay, we have a triple, actually 4 times bottom. How do you say that? If you have a double bottom, a triple bottom, and how do you call that when you have a 4 times bottom, a quadruple bottom, something like that? All right, never mind, Hector. Okay, we have 1 bottom there, twice, 3 times, 4 times there, okay, and a sloping trend line is basically the opposite. The opposite scenarios we have here. Well, in this case, it's basically the same thing, but upside down, since I'm waiting for a breakout to the downside. Okay, as you can see, my moving averages are all pointing down in order, etc., etc. So basically, waiting for the 175.00 level to break to the downside. Okay. Let's see what else do I have here. Let's see what else do I have. Okay, Canadian dollar against the CHF. We are retesting now the trend line, retesting now the 38% Fibonacci, the dynamic area of support. Let's see if this is a daily chart, by the way, so this is a long-term trade, or at least a long-term possible trade. Of course, I'm still not in the market. I'm gonna try to see if this trend line, okay, this level of support right here holds. If so, we might create a new bounce to the upside, breaking this retracement trend line, the one in red on the chart, okay. And as that happens, okay, it will be green light, at least for me, to search for a long entry in the direction of the trends. Okay, have a look at those moving averages all pointing up. Finally, Australian dollar against the Swiss franc. Once again, in the daily charts, also I've been following this setup for a while. We have a previous swing top right there, along with the 61% Fibonacci, dynamic area of resistance, support, waiting for a pullback. Okay, I will be looking closely at this level, searching for a reversal formation in the shorter time frames. Okay, and now lastly, the euro against the Australian dollar. The downtrend. Okay, I was hoping for a pullback all the way up here, okay, to retest this double bottom here right there, along with this daily. This is daily chart as well, okay, with this downtrend marking black. Okay, it would have been a beautiful setup if we had a breakout, a pullback, and a continuation. But seems like price is meandering around this level, okay, between the 185 and the 158 and the 159 level. Okay, right there, it's actually been moving sideways for like 2 weeks already. Okay. Ideally, I'd like to see a breakout to the downside, but we are way too far from the dynamic area of support, resistance. So, not my favorite kind of setup. All right, guys, that was all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.